Ever wondered how businesses get noticed online in the sea of endless content? The secret sauce is content marketing. In achieving this, you need a strategy that can turn casual browsers into loyal customers. So it is more than just throwing up a blog post or posting on social media. If you're just starting out and feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. Today, I'll be breaking down the basics of content marketing and why it's essential for your business. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how to create content that not only engages but converts. So you might want to grab your notepad and let's dive in.
Like and subscribe.
Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, I am Egwonwu, your content guide, or you can call me your content partner. And I love helping businesses grow through smart and effective marketing strategies using visual content as a tool. Today, we are talking about content marketing, what it is, why it matters, and how you can start using it to boost your business. Let's start with the basics. So, what exactly is content marketing? In simple terms, it is a strategic approach to creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to promote your businesses, product, or services by creating and sharing valuable content, such as blog posts, videos, social media posts, podcasts, webinars, and the list goes on. The goal here is to attract and retain a specific group of people by giving them useful and interesting information rather than directly selling to them, ultimately to drive profitable customer action. Let's think of it this way. Traditional advertising will always say, buy our product, while content marketing says, we are here to help you with this problem or interest. And by the way, our product can help with that too. Feel the difference? By providing value and building trust with your audience, you can eventually drive sales and grow your business. Here's a simple example. A fitness company creates a blog post with workout tips and shares it on social media. People find the post helpful and start following the company's social media account. The company then shares more content, including some that mention their fitness classes or products. Over time, the audience become customers, signing up for classes or buying products. That's content marketing in a nutshell. Content marketing isn't about selling directly. It is about educating, entertaining, or inspiring your audience. So they start to know, like, and trust your brand. Think of it as building a relationship with potential customers. And just like any relationship, it requires time, effort, and sincerity. Why content marketing is important? It helps you build trust and authority. When you consistently provide valuable content, you position yourself as an authority in your field. People are more likely to trust a business that educates them and provide value without expecting anything in return. Content marketing helps you establish your business as a trusted and authoritative source in your industry. Here is why. 1. It establishes expertise. By sharing valuable content, you demonstrate your knowledge and expertise in your field. 2. It shows you care. When you provide helpful information without expecting immediate sales, you show your audience that you genuinely care about their needs and interests. 3. Consistency builds credibility. By regularly posting high quality content, it proves that you are committed to helping your audience, making you a reliable and trustworthy source. Why is trust and authority important? When people trust your brand, they are more likely to become loyal customers and advocates. Trust builds confidence, leading to higher conversion rates. It also gives you competitive advantage. Establishing authority sets you apart from your competitors, making it harder for your competitors to replicate your success. By focusing on providing value through content marketing, you create a foundation by building trust and authority, ultimately driving long-term business growth. Point 2, improves SEO. Quality content helps improve your website's search engine ranking. The more useful and relevant your content, the higher you will rank, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Think of search engines like super smart librarians. They help people find answers to their questions. And just like a librarian organizes books on shelves, search engines rank websites based on how relevant and useful they are. When you create high quality, useful, and relevant content, you're helping search engine librarians understand that your website is a great resource. This means they will rank you higher in search results, making it easier for potential customers to find you. How does this work? Search engines crawl your site. They read and analyze your content to understand what it is about. They evaluate its usefulness. How well does your content answer people's questions or solve their problems? They rank you accordingly. If your content is top-notch, you will rank higher in search results, making it more visible to potential customers. More people can find and visit your website, increasing your chances of attracting new customers, sales, and growth. So remember, creating high-quality content is like helping the search engine librarians do their job better. By doing so, you will become more visible, attracting more people to your website. Point 3, it engages your audience. Content marketing is not just about creating content. It is about creating meaningful conversation. Whether it's through blog posts, social media, videos, or podcasts, good content encourages interaction and engagement. Always try to start a conversation and not a monologue. Content marketing is like hosting a dinner party. You are not just serving food. You are creating an experience that encourages conversation and connection. Your goal is to engage your audience, not just to talk at them. Good content is like a question or a thought-provoking statement that sparks interesting discussion. It invites your audience to participate, share their thoughts, and connect with you and others. Choose your conversation style. You can engage your audience through various content formats like blog posts, social media, videos, and podcasts. On blog posts, you need in-depth articles that encourages comment and sharing. On social media, here you will need bite-sized updates that sparks conversations and interaction. Videos is all about visual storytelling that resonates and invites feedback. Podcast. This is audio conversations that feels like discussions with friends. By creating engaging content, you will build a community that loves your brand, trusts your expertise, and buys from you. Remember, content marketing is about creating meaningful conversations and not just broadcasting information. Point 4, supports your sales funnel. Different types of content can guide your potential customers through the stages of your sales funnel, from awareness to consideration to decision making. By addressing their questions and concerns at each stage, you can lead them towards making a purchase. I would like you to think of your sales funnel like a roadmap, guiding potential customers from "I've never heard of you" to "I'm ready to buy." Content marketing helps navigate this journey, addressing their needs and concerns at each stage. And there are 3 main stages: awareness, consideration, and decision making. On awareness, you will have to introduce yourself and your solution. Content like blog posts, social media, and videos help potential customers discover you. On consideration, learn to build trust and credibility. Content like case studies, webinars, and reviews helps your potential customers evaluate their option. Decision making, seal the deal. Content like testimonials, demos, and free trials helps them make a confident purchasing decision. By creating content that addresses specific needs and concerns at each stage, You will build awareness and grab attention, establish trust and credibility, encourage decision making and conversion. A well supported sales funnel with content marketing helps potential customers move smoothly through each stage. More leads, higher conversion rates, and loyal customers. Remember, content marketing is like being a helpful guide on your customer's journey. By addressing their needs and concerns at each stage, you will build trust and increase sales. Point 5, the last on my list, cost effective. Unlike traditional advertising, which can be expensive, content marketing is relatively low cost. Plus, it provides long term value. A well written blog post can continue to attract traffic years after it's published. Traditional advertising can be like renting a fancy store for a day. It is expensive and only lasts for a short time. Content marketing, on the other hand, is like building a cozy home that attracts visitors for years to come. Here is why content marketing is cost effective. 1. Low upfront cost. Creating content like blog posts, social media, or videos can be done with minimal investment. 2. Long-term value. A well-crafted piece of content can continue to attract traffic, generate leads, and build trust for years. The more content you create, the more value it compounds, attracting more visitors and customers. Imagine that a single post you publish today can attract up to 1,000 visitors this month and up to 15,000 visitors in the next 6 months, 100,000 visitors in 1 year, and continue to attract traffic for years to come. Content marketing provides a high return on investment without breaking the bank. By creating valuable content, you will save money on advertising costs, build a loyal audience, and drive long-term growth and sales. Remember, content marketing is like building a sustainable garden that grows and flourishes over time, providing a bountiful harvest for years to come. Now, let's talk about different types of content you can create. The best type of content depends on your audience and business goal. Blog posts, videos, podcasts, ebooks and white papers, infographics, and social media posts. And now it's time to create a content strategy. So, how do you start with content marketing? It all begins with a content strategy. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First, define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your content? Is it more traffic, better engagement, higher sales? You have to be specific. Step 1, know your audience. Get to know the people you are trying to reach. Who are they? What do they care about? And what problems do they face? Think of them as friends you are trying to help. Step 2, set your goals. What do you want to achieve with content marketing? Do you want to build brand awareness, generate leads, drive sales, or establish thought leadership? Choose specific, measurable goals. Step 3, choose your content channel. Where does your audience hang out? Which channels will you use to reach them? Options include blogging, social media, email newsletters, video platforms, and podcasting. Pick the channels that best fit your audience and goals. Step 4, develop your content themes. What topics will you cover? What themes will you explore? Make sure they are relevant to your audience and aligns with your goals. Step 5, create a content calendar. Plan and organize your content in advance. Use a calendar to schedule the content type like blog posts, videos, the list goes on. Topics and themes, publishing dates, and channel. This helps ensure consistency and saves time. Step 6, measure and adjust. Track your content performance using metrics like engagement, traffic, lead generations, and sales. Use these insights to refine your strategy and improve your future content. By following these steps, you will have a solid content strategy to attract and engage your audience, driving real results for your business. Know your audience. Who are you creating content for? What are their pain points, interests, and needs? Understanding your audience is crucial for creating relevant content. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over some common content marketing mistakes to avoid. 1. Inconsistent posting. Consistency is key. If you go silent for a long period, you risk losing your audience's interest. If you are too focused on selling, you will turn people off. 3. Ignoring SEO. SEO helps people find your content. Don't neglect it, but also don't overdo it with keyword stuffing. 4. Not measuring results. If you are not tracking your performance, you won't know what is working. Use analytics to keep tabs on your success. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to content marketing and why it is important for your business. The goal is to build a relationship with your audience, provide them with value, and ultimately guide them toward becoming loyal customer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on growing your business. And if you have any questions or need help with your content strategy, leave a comment below or reach out to us. We are here to help you succeed. Thanks for watching and happy content creating.
Like and subscribe.
By engaging your audience, you will build a loyal community that loves your brand.